Look at that, we got our river. I was just talking about, you know how cool there's a river. God, I hope there ain't one going through where I'm at. I mean, that's cool. There's a fucking river. I've never felt well, a creek. That was not here. Oh shit. And now the road is a fucking river. Can you see this? You can't. Oh, there's lots of gravel. Let's go up this side. The whole road is a river. Look at this. I just can't drive into the other area. I just gotta stay on the road. It's gonna be too muddy in that. Whee! Take it though. Is it still there? Okay, it's still standing. See it? Can you see it? It's alive! My poles are so long, but the canvas. Yeah, look at this. Look at all that water. I mean, fuck yeah, water. We all need it. The plants, nature, Mother Nature needs this. I mean, what I don't understand is why can't the water just come in? Why does it have to come in so dramatically? Why can't it just easy? Okay, is this gravel? I just want to make sure. Yeah, I'll be right. Let's assess the damage. Right when I filled my I thought I was gonna. Yeah, look at this. I wish I could have got better footage of the fucking how insane that was. I felt like I was in one of those tornado videos. Shit. I was just telling myself, stay calm. Oh, the horses! Are you guys okay? Are you guys alright? I know that was fucking crazy. They're all like, oh shit. Oh! You stay over there. Okay, now I know about weather. I have not. That's like my first real legit storm. Oh, we're done. Well, hey, I was hoping it would rain to rinse them all off. They all got a bath. But like, we gotta be fresh for this freaking chase, y'all. Now we got some traction. It's gonna be sunny and hot again soon, so all this will dry up. But the dust is down, so that's great. So they'll be perfect. Mother Nature's lining it up. Gonna take a little look at her. Wait. Oh, she looks so golden and white maned. I like that we got two goldies, and one's got the black mane and tail, and the other's got the white. Did they have a tree out there? I hope they had a fucking tree, dude. I don't know if they had a tree. Oh my god. Oh, that makes me feel bad. I mean, I guess they're wild horses. I mean, all the wild horses, there's fucking tons of them here, and that's just, they just deal with it. Well, these ones, at least they could run around. Oh, boy, did the baby. Shit, is the baby okay? Where's the baby? I think she's okay. I think I saw her running around. Now she got extra rinsed. Is she okay?